Hi everyone, welcome back to Slay Secrets YouTube channel. You guys, we have another wig from ATOZWIG. ATOZWIG is a very popular hair vendor on Amazon and their wigs are affordable. So you know we have to do wig reviews for the popular vendors. Plus this summer they have been promoting a lot of cute summer wigs. So basically I went on their profile and just click, 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 click. I've encountered my first bob wig and I fell in love and now I'm hooked. So why not order a cute summer bob wig for the low? You knock two birds with one stone. You get a cute wig and you don't break the bank. Like, you're winning already. In a previous video, I did a short curly bob wig from A to Z. So now, my friends, I have ordered a straight bob wig to tell you about. So let's open this box because I am excited. Okay? Yes. So on the box it says Brazilian human hair straight 4x4 lace part. So let's go ahead and see. So in the box they have a little brochure with some ads in it and then also a postcard with some incentives as well as the vendor's contact information. So definitely want to look into that. You know I love the incentives. And as per usual, a wig cap from ATOZWIG. Thank you. Other than that, I have the wig right here. Let's go ahead and get it out the package. Oh, so attached to the wig was a little tag and it tells you how to care for this hair, how to wash it. So that's definitely useful. Okay, let's get to it. So the first topic is initial shedding. And I'm doing my normal comb through and there is no shedding. There is no shedding on this wig. No shedding. So kudos to that. Next topic is true to length. So this wig unit is 8 inches long. So we're going to set our measuring tape to 11 inches. So I'm lining the measuring tape with the middle clip of the wig. The 8-inch mark on the measuring tape is located right here. Let's zoom in here a little bit. And this wig falls right above the 8-inch mark. So it's safe to say that this wig is true to length because it does fall right above the 8-inch mark. So kudos to that. The next topic is smell. And this wig does not smell bad at all. It smells like brand new hair. So kudos to that. The texture of this hair is very silky, very smooth, very soft. They preserved this hair very well. They did. This hair has a lot of volume. It is layered. This hair is definitely layered. So yes, when you bump it, it's gonna look so nice in the back of your head. Yes, honey. Lots of volume. This wig is very flowy and healthy looking. So kudos A to Z, kudos. And it's easy to comb my fingers through the hair. So it's safe to say that this wig doesn't have any tangles. Very nice and smooth and silky and soft. So kudos A to Z, kudos. And you know, as I mentioned before, this wig is layered and the hair ends look healthy. They're nice and smooth. They are not dry at all. And everything is layered. So they did a good job with this wig. So let's go ahead and talk about the inner structure of this wig. Go ahead and fold it inside out. So this is the lace. The lace is a 4x4 part. There's wig clips on both left and right sides of the wig. And there's also a middle wig clip as well. See that? And then also in the back, there's a back wig clip right here. I don't know if you can see this. It's a back wig clip. And of course, the left and right drawstrings. And then the last thing to point out is that this wig is netted. It's not a cap, it's literally netted, so this wig should be breathable. The cap might be a little bit small, but no worries, we will still try on this wig to give it the benefit of the doubt. So this is the lace closure. It's a 4x4 lace closure. We can go ahead and measure it inside out because I find it easier to measure the wigs inside out. Set the measuring tape to 5 inches. Now confirming if the parting space on this wig is 4 inches deep and 4 inches wide. And as you can see, this wig is 4 inches deep and this wig is about 4 inches across. So it is a 4-inch part. So there isn't any baby hair, no baby hair. They created a part for you. Even though they do give you a part, you can create a deeper side part. You have 4x4 inches of lace, so no matter where the part is, you have a good amount of parting space for this wig on both sides. Move it around so you can see, you can create your own part that's up to 4 inches from the middle part of the wig. So that's very good. It has some diversity in this wig, but this is the main part. Okay, so far so good with this wig. It feels wonderful. It's nicely cut. It doesn't smell. It doesn't shed. Like, this wig is looking really good right now. So let's go ahead and try on this wig. I'm excited to have another bob wig for the summer. Yes, honey. Yes. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, guys, so I have the wig on. What? I'm shocked how cute this wig is. Wow. And what makes it so much more exciting is that this wig actually fits my head. I kid you not. Like, it fits my head. It doesn't feel tight, but it feels fitted. It feels secure. So I'm in complete utter shock because when I was looking at the wig, you know, I was sizing it up, of course, and I was like, I don't know if this is gonna fit my head with my hang time, but I promise you, my hang time is tucked and this wig still fits my head. I'm going to do a little turnaround to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, but oh my goodness, I am stoked right now because this wig is actually super cute. You guys know that I don't really care for middle parts, but I think that how this wig is styled is best that it remains as a middle part. You know, of course, I'll play with it whenever I cut the lace, you know, and style it just to see, you know, if I can do a little bit of a deeper part. Since this is a 4x4 parting space, I'm pretty sure that I should be able to create this deeper part that I desire. Yeah, right now the hair is used to this middle part, so it doesn't really want to cooperate to move to the side. See, it keeps flipping back. It wants to be a middle part, so I'll probably have to take a flat iron or a hot comb just to press it down so I can have a deeper part, because how this wig is cut and layered, I did move it to the side and it looked uneven. Like, this side was shorter and this side was longer, so we're not trying to look a hot mess, so we're not doing that little shifting wig trick. No, not for this wig. No, this wig I might just have to keep it as a middle part, and I actually don't think it looks that bad on me as a middle part. Like, how they layered and cut this wig is amazing. They did a great job layering this wig. Seriously, I cannot wait to bump this wig. But you know, as you can see, this wig actually doesn't really need much manipulation. Like, the lace color actually looks really good. I might not have to bleach or tint the lace for this wig. Like, this wig is ready to go. All you have to do is just cut the lace and you're good. At least for me. Right now it looks pretty good with my complexion. So this will be the first wig that I have to say I don't need to bleach or tint the lace, which is completely beyond me right now. Like, I don't have to do no work? What? I don't know how many more times I'm going to say this, but they made this wig very well. Like, the structure of this wig is great. This 4x4 part is excellent. Wow, I am completely shocked. This wig is so nice. And this is probably the shortest wig I've ever God, like this is 8 inches. 8 inches. And it looks great. And I feel that it could pass for my hair. It looks very natural. What? Go ahead, A to Z wig. Like, okay, come through. Come through 2019, okay? Come through. I love this wig. Yes, honey. This is a good wig. Wow. I love it. I love this wig. Okay, so overall, I will rate this hair a 10 out of 10. Like, I can't find nothing wrong with this hair. It doesn't smell, it doesn't shed, it's true to length. It fits my head just fine. It looks very natural. Like, this wig is absolutely perfect. I really do like how they layered this wig. It's absolutely perfect. Like, A to Z, you did a good job with this wig. I will give you all the kudos. This wig is probably one of the best top 5 wigs that I've come across from your company. Like, you guys did your thing with this wig. Absolutely love this wig. And that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video and you like this wig, give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below just to let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you know, you guys know I share all the details, okay? If you have any questions, ask. I like questions, okay? I do. I like questions. And let your girl know if you see a wig, you know, searching on Amazon, if you see something a little cute, okay, go ahead and send me an email. And don't forget to subscribe to Slay Secrets YouTube channel so you don't miss any wig reviews from Amazon. That's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.